Welcome back on Russ Hunter's channel, and this time I even didn't know we were going to be here. So I could see massive leak under the Porsche Boxster 987, and today we're trying to check what's happening. So I did clean everything under the car, but I need to now open the engine cover and check what's happening inside. I hope is oil cooler and we need to replace that, and it's not IMS or RMS bearing. Let's go now and check the oil level, which was also very low. So here around was massive leak. I did clean a lot, so it's like more on the left side. So I just hope is oil cooler and we will be able to sort this out. And at the same time I need to replace this before we do anything, as the oil level was always low. I just want to make sure there is any oil now. Okay, apparently we have oil in, so I was adding oil in, but we've been losing a lot of oil. I did add, I don't know, maybe 1 liter of oil in, and apparently it's all good. After checking the engine oil level, I put the soft top into service position. Then I unclipped the 2 support cables and secured the strap to the door latch to hold the roof in place and create more space in the engine bay. After removing the 2 plastic clips, I moved the Bose trim to the right side. All through, you can also disconnect the Bose wiring completely. Then I turned the lower trim clips for 90 degrees and removed the bottom trim. So now we can see I did put this on the side as I have Bose system, and now we can see the engine cover. We are very close to it. Just removing the cover, and then hopefully we can figure out what's wrong with an oil leak. The engine cover is secured with 5 screws, which can be removed using a 5mm hex key. So now the engine cover is off, and I actually don't know. Here is wet on this side where the oil cooler is, but I'm not sure that's the cause. I mean, it's quite wet here around. It's very strange because it's leaking more on this side here, but the space here is also very limited. I couldn't find the source of the leak from the engine bay, so I decided to leave the car onto my favorite ramps. And yes, there was also a quick dance break thanks to my neighbor's music. Okay, now the car is on the ramps, so I'm going to take off this plastic here, the trim, because wet is here, so definitely it's coming from somewhere here and more on the left side, as you can see. So I really want to figure out what's wrong. Let's remove the cover. The engine of Porsche Boxster 987 with 144,000 miles. And here it is, guys. Can you see where the cap fell off? I assume I should just push the cap in, I guess. We're trying to put the cap back in. This cap is everywhere the same, so... I've refitted the cylinder head plug, but after further inspection, it's recommended to replace it with a new one, as these plugs can harden, shrink, or lose their seal over time due to heat cycles. A replacement can be found on 911 Parts website. If you are still here, I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe and support the channel for more upcoming builds. Okay, so cover is fitted, is just right here. I just tried to push it as much as I could, but yeah, it's quite wet here around. We tried to dry this as much as we could, and yeah, that's it. We are now about to put just the engine cover back. Now it's time to put everything back together. I'm really glad I was able to solve this tricky oil leak myself, something that could easily cost a fortune at the garage. And you have to wonder how many mechanics would truly be honest about what the issue is. Working on cars like this honestly makes me really happy. Make sure to subscribe and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.
Bring the animal back to life. Bring the energy one more time. If you feel like letting go, you can take control. You can turn this all to something beautiful where you feel life gets you down, down, down. Gets you down, down, down. Say